So this is from Southern Style Offroad. Cool. Boom. You may be wondering, what in the world is that? Me too, actually. Nah, JK. This is a cover for the washer fluid reservoir. Awesome. Now, because no packaging or anything, no instructions, I doubt it'll be hard to do. But I'm gonna try and do this tomorrow, considering I have a day off, and it should not be hard to do. Let's just unwrap it real quick and see what it looks like. Alright. Well, there it is. Powder coat was nice. Nothing, no chips or anything like that. That's pretty nice. I'm hoping it just kind of fits in like that. Shoop. And just use that existing hole to drill whatever. So I really don't want to have to go buy bolts. It's like the worst thing ever. Alright. Alright, so we just got a quick, easy install today. We have the Southern Style Offroad water reservoir cover. No directions came with this, not even what kind of bolt to get. So I have an M12 bolt threaded in 1.25. Exactly what we need. Alright, let's get this on. Still got a while. If they just had instructions, or at least what bolt to use, that would have been helpful. Alright, well there it is. Bolted there. Seems pretty secure. And now with the Ecotechnic bumper, I'm not afraid to go over some obstacles now that this is covered a little bit. That's what it looks like. Back. There you go. Pretty simple.